So over here you can see that I have a Word document right here on importance of education, and it has details such as introduction, career and opportunities, impact on society, and so forth. But let's say I want to go ahead and then change around the existing document, that is rearrange it so that there are some tables right here and so forth as needed. So in that case, what you can actually do is you can go ahead and give those type of documents right here to Claude. So I can just go ahead and open it out and it loads up that document. So I can go ahead and say change the order of the content as needed to add table data and some interesting facts. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and tell it to add some interesting facts as well. So now what it will do is it'll simply go ahead and read that doc file, and we'll simply go ahead and then change out the format of the doc. So you can see it is extracting the text from the docx right here. It's actually reading it, and then it'll go ahead and remake the doc right here. So it says now I have a clear picture of the document, the content to add a statistics table after the introduction, insert interesting facts within the relevant section, and keep the flow logical. So you can see that as you do that, you can see like this is the document. It's writing out all in code right here. So it's replacing the entire body, as you can see right here. And you can see the progress right here, just like this as well, on how it is actually moving forward right here. So you can see that it is adding out some contents as well. So you just need to go ahead and wait for a while. So you can see that it actually generated out the content right here, but it didn't give me a doc quite yet. So I'm just going to say, give me the doc file, and it says, now I'll build the docx from the XML content right here, just like this. And now it is going ahead and generating out the doc. So you need to go ahead and wait for a while till this gets generated. And then this is basically what you got right here. So you can see that this is the Word document right here with the same exact information, but differently formatted right here with the table data and interesting facts as well. So you can go ahead and then download this out right here as you want as well. And then you can go ahead and then open it out right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it out, and you can see that this is what you have. So this is basically how you can go ahead and tell Claude to rearrange out existing content, and then let's say for example change out its formatting as well as needed. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.